A very good morning or good afternoon. Once again, I'm back, and you remember when you see the face, you know it is about to go down. And I'm Sam Martins, so still music lessons here with you. But this one now is for grades 7 and 8. I believe they will understand best for revision purposes, and we are going to talk about rhythm. Yeah. And remember, in grade 7, we talked about composing rhythm in two ways, which we had monotone rhythm and now rhythm considering the factors to put in place. So before we go to those construction of the rhythms, let me start with the factors. I highlight the factors that we talked about. Several. We talked about time signature, where you must adhere to the time signature when composing the rhythm. Yeah. So time signature is very important. And another thing or another rhythm, we talk about the symmetry. But before I come to symmetry, let me just explain something about time signature for those maybe who have totally forgotten about time signature. When we talk about time signature in grade 7 and 8, we are using simple time signature. We have several types of time signature, where we have go triple time signature among others. But in our level, we talk about simple time signature. So how do you know the time is simple time signatures? And we are coming to know the time is simple time signature after these examples of simple time signature, where you have 2/4, then 3/4, then 4/4. These are the three examples we used. 2/4 time signature, 3/4 time signature, 4/4 time signature. So what does that mean? When we talk about 2/4 time signature, we are talking about 3 beats per bar. And the lower number is now the main beat. The lower number, which is 4/4/4/4, the main beat, the largest beat in the bar. Okay, so when we talk about 2/4, we mean 2 beats per bar. Then 3/4 means 3 beats per bar. 4/4 means 4 beats per bar. And remember, this one is 2/4, no, not 2/4 like you do in mathematics. I saw some mistake there. So just a minute. This is play on the game. Thank you. And we continue now. We are saying about 2/4. I said it's not 2/4, but it is 2/4 time signature. So this is simple time signature. It is simple like that. And when we come to another factor to consider is about symmetry. Symmetry means how the flow, how the music or the rhythm is moving from high to low. If it is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That flow. Kwenda chini, kurudi chini, juu, mawimbi yale, mawimbi ya muziki. So that is what we call symmetry. And now we have another one, which is use of rests. Remember, in my previous lessons, we talked about notes and their rests. Okay, so each and every note, if you have not watched that one, you need also to have that idea of the notes and their rests. Kama haujatazama, hautaweza ku construct the time signature and the rhythm. So you need to go back to that lesson, watch the rests and their notes and notation values, the number of beats, like that. Then when you understand that one lesson, then we will be able to construct the time signature with you, because we use the notes and the rests to construct the time signature. So what about the use of rests? We also use rests, and each and every note has its own rest. Semi-brief, meaning, favor, semi-favor, crochet, dotted meaning, among others. They have also their rests. Then another factor to consider is variation of notes, where you vary the notes. You are supposed to vary the notes, not just to use the same notes. We say using same notes, that one you come to know, that one is a different type of rhythm, which is monotone. Then another one is number of beats, where we number of bars. We have 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars. So if the examiner is asking you to construct 4 bars, make sure that 4 bars. If it is 3 bars, make sure it is 3 bars. Simple like that. So these are the factors to consider. Factor number 1, time signature. Number 2, symmetry. Number 3, use of rest. Number 4, variation of notes. Then number 5, number of bars. You consider that. So let's construct examples of this time signature with you. And the first example, we are going to start constructing in a monotone. in a monotone. A monotone, remember, monotone means you sing same beats throughout. Monotone means one. Mono. When you are joining those people who join Form 1, they always call them mono, which means they are in Form 1. So we also have a type of seed called monocotyledon, which means one. You can't separate it into two. So when we come also to music and we say we are constructing monotone rhythm, monotone rhythm. So monotone means we are going to use only one beat throughout the verse. So for example, construct a 2/4 time signature. So we can write 2/4 time signature into monotone rhythm. What do? We just start with the 2/4. We write our 2/4 there. Then we come to consider how many beats per bar. We are going to use 2 beats per bar. So we highlight. We have here a semi-brief which is equal to 4. Then we have a dotted minim which is equal to 3. We have a crotchet minim which is equal to 2.